Okay, so here's what the whole spread looks like, and I'm gonna walk through it with you. This is my bed. All right, so first of all, the bags that I brought. So this blue one is a carry-on. So I brought a carry-on and then this messenger bag that I carried with me as my personal item. You can see my laptop sitting in front of it. This is a small backpack that I sometimes bring. I use a different one for hiking at home, but if I think I'm going to do a hike or need to carry stuff around, I bring this and it takes up no space in there. It packs down really small. Okay, so I left my underwear and my socks in the packing cube because you know what those things look like. I usually bring for both of these about a week's worth of everything, and then if I am going to stay longer than a week, I do laundry. I would encourage you to do that too because it helps you pack light. And the reality is that you're going to wear the same thing over and over again, no matter how much you pack. Okay, I also always bring a pair of flip-flops. So my shoes are downstairs, but I have a pair of black ankle Blundstone boots and then a pair of waterproof hiking shoes. I wore the boots on the plane, the shoes fit in the bag. Like to bring flip-flops, brought a swimsuit for various things, and then pajamas. This is my Bluetooth speaker that I never travel without that anywhere ever. I've also got my coats over here. So this is a puffy coat. It packs down really tiny and fits in my bag. This is my rain jacket. So this is an REI brand one, but there's lots of good options. You absolutely need a rain jacket no matter what the forecast is. If you followed me for a while, you know how important I believe the rain jacket to be, not only for rain, but also for bugs, wind on boats, etc., etc. All right, let's keep moving here. This is my toiletries kit. Keep it simple. Put things in small bags. Don't let it become huge. This is mine. Yeah, I resupply things if I need to, no problem. Also got sunscreen. So on this trip, it's been pretty cold, a little colder than normal for May. It snowed a couple times since I've been here, but you never know when the sun can come out. So if it's summer, you always need sunscreen. This is a tiny little first aid kit that I travel with. Chapstick, lip balm, have to have that. These are my sunglasses, my regular glasses, so I can drive and look at PowerPoints and exciting stuff like that. Travel mug. I rarely go anywhere without this. It's really nice to be able to take hot drinks with you. These are my noise canceling headphones. Small travel pillow that I use quite often. I'm always staying somewhere that has a pillow, but it's nice to have for the plane and that kind of thing. This little pile here is all of my electronics that aren't my computer. Some of that stuff you won't have or won't care about, like my little mobile recorder that I sometimes record little snippets for podcasts, some other stuff, chargers, all of that. Couple things I'll say about this. Number one, everyone in your travel party needs one of these. This is a backup battery for your phone. No matter how new your phone is, how much you think you can share these and cables, trust me on this, you need to have one of these. Every single person in your group needs to have one. Everyone needs to have their own charger. Super important. Okay. Moving on. This is a travel alarm. I do use my phone. I use this as a backup. Some cash. Tip your guide. Super important. So bring cash. Be prepared for that. This is a small container with tea in it because I like to travel with my own tea. Some trail mix. I always have some snacks. That one I just pulled out for making the video, but I always have a few snacks with me. Reusable shopping bag, super convenient for lots of things like running to the store and buying groceries, but also if you need to just carry a few things a short distance, really nice thing to have. Okay, back here, we've got my notebook, some pens, my planner, my Kindle, and then I mentioned it's been pretty cold since I've been here and I knew it was going to be chilly, and May often is chilly, although this is a little more than normal perhaps, but I've got a wool headband, a very light pair of gloves, and a warm hat. And go Seahawks. Another hat. I haven't worn this yet. It hasn't really been warm enough to need that, but you never know. So Part of the point is you're not going to know exactly what the weather is going to be, and you got to be prepared. Okay, next up, we've got my work clothes. So you hopefully won't be working on your trip, but just to make the point, even with work clothes, I can still pack in the carry-on. So I've got whoops, sorry about that. I've got 3 different shirts that all go with this cardigan and a pair of black pants. Our workplace is business casual, so I'm only working like 3 days while I'm here. So I'm just going to make it work with those different items when I'm on tour, and you'll see this later this summer and maybe in some of my other videos. I'll have more work clothes and less of the other things, but we'll talk about that when we get there. Okay, other clothing items. So this is a pair of lightweight hiking pants. I haven't worn these yet since I've been here because I've been wearing jeans or leggings or the work pants because it's been colder or I've been working, but I did bring these. These are awesome for bugs as well. They're quick dry, so they're really great. I brought these leggings. I won't probably bring those in midsummer because I get very hot in them, but also leggings, this is important for everyone to know, are useless against bugs. So make sure you have looser fitting pants if you're visiting in the summer. And then I've got a couple long sleeved kind of like workout tops. So this is a synthetic one. This is a wool one. This one is much warmer. And so I have both of those for different outdoor things. And then I've got a short sleeve t-shirt because even though it's not warm and it hasn't been, well, I've been here warm enough to wear a t-shirt outside really, indoor spaces are often kind of warm. And then I've got another kind of zip up hoodie. I usually wear this on the airplane because it's easy to take it on and off, and I really love it. And then that's pretty much it. I'm also wearing another lightweight hoodie and a pair of jeans, which I also brought. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I'll try to switch it up from now on between a video like this that shows you everything in there and one that shows what the packing art actually looks like. All right, have a great day.